Good afternoon, folks. Doing a challenge for RJS cards for the final 3 spots in the TMac challenge. Live. We're getting 2 and 1. Top one's getting 2, second's getting 1. We've got Stashman. Oh, go away. Stashman to Stashman. Copying that list into the randomizer at 3:57 PM local time. Stashman on top and bottom. Dice roller 2 dice. No snake eyes. It's a snake eyes. Jeez, let's go again. 8 times is a good day. Let's look for the top 2. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times Stashman and Brett. One more time. 3:57. Congrats to spot 7. Grayson getting 2. Spot 2. Stashman getting 1. We had to go 8 times. Did go 8 times. Verification code at the bottom. And spot 7 and 2 picking up spots in the main. Congrats. Challenge complete.